Hello folks, welcome to Multi-Stack. Today's topic is foreign key constraints. Today we will learn about the foreign key. Let's start. So what is foreign key? A foreign key is a constraint used to establish a link between the data in two tables. This relationship is created to enforce referential integrity between the tables, which means that the data in the foreign key column must correspond to data in a primary key or unique key in another or the same table. So these are few characteristics of the foreign key. Number one is linking tables. The foreign key column in a table points to a primary key or unique key in another table. This establishes a connection between the two tables, making them related. Referential integrity. The foreign key constraint ensures that any value in the foreign key column must either be null or matched by uh, an existing value in the primary key column of the reference table. This prevents you from inserting or updating data in a way that would break the link between the two tables. Data integrity. By using foreign keys, you ensures that the data in your database remains consistent and accurate. It prevents action that would lead to orphaned records or invalid references. So let's understand foreign key constraint by using two tables, customers and order tables. Customer is the parent table having ID, name, address, and order child table having ID, customer ID, order date. So here ID in the parent table, customer table is the foreign key inside the customer ID. Means the value of the ID of customer table would be the customer's ID value in the order table. And we will learn something more on delete and on update actions inside the foreign key. It means when you create a foreign key, you can specify actions for when a row is deleted or updated in the parent table. It means in customer, in this case, these actions are specified using the on delete and on update classes. Means cascade automatically delete or update rows in the child table when the corresponding row in the parent table is deleted or updated. Means when we will delete the data inside the parent table, means customer table, and it references in the order tables, data would be automatically deleted or updated. Set null means set the foreign key column in the child table to null when the corresponding row in the parent table is deleted. When we will delete the corresponding data in the parent table which is already existed inside the order table, means child table, would be automatically null. No action means prevent deletion or updation of parent row if there are related child's row. If we have some data inside the child table which belongs to the parent table data and we will try to delete same data, then it will show some error and prevent to deletion. So let's flip SQL Server Studio, understand with some examples by creating the customer table and order tables. Let's connect the SQL Server. SQL Server has been connected. Open the new query. And let's create a database. Run this one. Database has been created. Used database, ecom. So I have already created a script up to table customers and orders. So I will execute that one to save the time. I will run two tables with name of customer and orders. So customer have ID, name, address. I will execute this one first. This table has been created. Customer table has been created inside the database ecom. Orders table, yes, order table also has been created inside the ecom database. So let's see this one. Ecom tables, yeah, both tables has been created. Customer, so customer has column ID, name, address. So we'll check the order table. Its column has ID, customer ID, and order ID. Customer ID is the foreign key, which is the primary key inside the customer table. We have two keys, primary key and foreign key. So we'll fill some values inside the customer table and order table. We'll check how it is working. First we insert some data inside the customer table. So I will pass the name and address of the customer table. So so we'll execute this one. Table data has been inserted. So let's check. Select asterisk from customers table name. I will write here. I will check. So these records has been inserted inside the table customers. Now again we'll try to insert some data inside the orders table. We will insert the data in orders tables in column ID, customer ID, order date. Column ID would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and customer ID is foreign key would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, which is existing in the customer table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4 ID is the customer ID in the order table, which is the ID in the customer table. So I will write the order date as a system generated date get date, and we will execute this one. Uh, so data has 5 rows. Affected data has been inserted. Select asterisk from orders. So these records has been inserted. We will try to select asterisk from customers. These records is in customers, so we don't have id 6, 7, 8. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll try to insert the id in the order table, which is not available in the customers table. So insert into orders, and I will write here id, customer id, order date, and we'll fill the values. Customer order id would be 6. I will write customer id 8, which is not in the customer table, and I will again take get date for the order date. I will try to run this one, and I hope it will return some error. So I got the error, foreign key conflict. The conflict occurred in the database ecom table. DBO customer column ID is not exist. This one is not exist in the customer ID. That's why I got the error. Again, I will try to fill some value inside the customer and try to insert this one in the order table. So customers, I will take the table customers. ID is the identity in the customer, so no need to add this one. Here I will write name, and I have to write the address, and ID will automatically come. Name I will write John, and address I will write some value, city, London. Spell is wrong. Now I think it is okay. So customers spell is wrong again. Customers, I will insert this one. So data has been inserted. We'll check. So 6 id 6 has been inserted. Then we will try with id 6. id 6, so able to insert because id 6 is available inside the customer table. So I will write again 7, and 7 I will try to insert the 7. 7 is not available in the customer table, that's why we got again error. So we'll insert again London, not I will write Berlin, and name would be Smith. We try to insert the record, 7th record. So we'll check. 7th record has been inserted. I will go with the 7th record in the order table. So yes, sorry, I have to write this one 7. So yes, we are able to insert. So record 7 has been inserted in the table. So that is from foreign key. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks.